Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the smart video player function on the MP3 downloader YouTube player application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. This is an ad. And you click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen. Go to the settings icon, and in the playback section you can find the second option, the smart video player, advanced floating players for YouTube and videos. And if you want to turn on, just click to the next square icon and on. Okay. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.